Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Just yesterday, I read a news that a shocking news. For me, it was shocking. A Chinese 17-year-old sold his kidney to buy an iPad. Just imagine, he sold his kidney, part of his body, to buy an iPad. And a few months back, I had even read that a lady who was selling flowers in front of a temple had to buy a iPhone for her son. That is why, instead of buying even the necessities and comforts of a house, she had to buy the iPhone for her son. Now, these things, whether they are good or is it necessary, no doubt you buy it when you earn well, you can buy it. I am not against that. But by selling your kidney and buying, is it good? You are knowing world is 5-star buffet. And we can grab everything on our plate and we have to digest it. That is what is important. Even Mother Teresa, what she tells, she used to tell that live simply. Simple life is a happier life. You know, in India, there might be so many people who may even not have 100 rupees per day as their per capita income. What I mean is, if a man is earning 400 per day, if he is having 3 children, his wife and he, 5 of them have to depend on him. Just imagine, when you divide it 5, it is less than 100. Then, is it good to do such things? After all, you are knowing Leo Tolstoy. One day he said in one of his stories, how much land does a man need? You are knowing it is 6 feet. He means that the land needed to bury one. So how much of our life we are willing to sacrifice for such things? Is it worth? That is important. Is it worth? There is enough for man's need, but not enough for his greed, said Gandhiji. You are knowing how much enough for us we are able to earn in a right way. But greed is not enough. For the sake of greed, we have seen people die. Let me share a story. Once, an old man, about 75 years old, he was given a pot by Swamiji and he told, till tomorrow evening, you can take out how much money you need from this pot. The pot was giving money. So the old man, throughout the day, throughout night and even the next day, he was busy on taking out money from that pot. He even did not take water, food, sleep, nothing. And his age, I told you, 75 years. One room was filled with money. Another room he was filling What happened afterwards? Before the time expired, he himself expired because he had not even taken a drop of water, he had not taken food, he had not slept for the whole night. Now, what is the use of that money? What the story tells is, we should earn if we are able to enjoy that. Otherwise, what is the use? Greed is of no use. So, as it happened with that old man, whether we should do this, greed is the inordinate desire to possess wealth, goods, or objects of abstract value with the intention of keeping them for oneself. So now tell me whether we should be greedy. No. The desire for status and power are similar. We believe that acquiring more of these will satisfy us completely. Saints have always maintained that more will always only make us want more. It will cause the fires of having to leap higher like flames do when ghee is poured into them. During yajna, we know that when we pour ghee, what happens? What is, however, the saddest part is that this having is usually unaccompanied by any form of empathy or self-awareness, since the cycle of want is endless. When you satisfy one want, another want comes. You satisfy that, another comes. So it is, wants are unlimited. Unlimited they are. So, such is an addiction to material possessions can make people ignore their families and forget their own health, and mad rush to possess can make them oblivious to what they really need: unconditional love and acceptance, happiness. They are not bothered. They are after money, after wealth, everything. They are least bothered about their family and everything. When asked about the cause of today's global and economic catastrophe, a former Prime Minister of Bhutan had said, "Greed, insatiable human greed." Yes, it is right. That is why people are least bothered even about their own lives. Forget about others, even about their lives, they are least bothered. So what we should take care? We should take care how we should take care of our family. If it is my family, how I should take care of my family. Will this action enhance my reputation? What is its long-term impact on my community? Whether people will like me, whether they will adore me, whether they will respect me? Will I be able to talk about it to my children and parents with pride? In other words, whether what I am doing now, today, it will make my children proud, whether it will make my parents proud to tell that, oh, so and so is my son and he has done this, whether they will feel proud. If they feel proud, then okay, go ahead. Otherwise, we should not do that, because as it is said, greed is not good. And you can satisfy your wants, but you are knowing greed, you can never you can complete it. That is why Small children are taught stories like greedy dog and all. So let us remember this. Have a good day.